Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing Cocoyam Fufu. So I did a quick run to the African store the other day. I think I posted that video already before this one. Yes, I did. So I picked up this Cocoyam right here, Cocoyam Fufu. So I have been trying it and I loved it. And it also make my bowel softer. It doesn't make me constipated and everything. I love cocoyams, so when I found this, I said I must try it as well. So this is at the African store for $3.49 a box. So if you want this, I think 4 in a box, it costs $15 for 4. But if you don't want the 4 packs, you can get one for $3.49. So like I said, I have been trying it and I'm about to eat it again. So I just decided to go on ahead and give you guys a tutorial. It's the same tutorial how to mix it like the other fufu. So it's nothing different, but the only thing is the texture, as you see right here, is different. The other one is like a yellowish kind of texture and color. This one you really get the cocoyam. It's like a light purple color. You know, it's not brown, but it's like a light purple color. I don't know. This is the cocoyam right here. See? So normally we eat this with soup or benny seed with butter and whatever your culture calls for, you know, but you know, it is so good, y'all. So like I said, I have been loving it, and look where I am with it now. So let me show you exactly. It's just to mix it and put it in the microwave and let it cook, and that's it, and I'm done with it. But let's go ahead, let me show you the tutorial. And yeah, so you guys, we're only gonna mix some of this, and like I said, not much I'm going to be using today. So I think that's enough. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mix this up. You can use your hand if you want to, but I will be using this one for today. It's the same way like I usually do with the other fufu on my channel, so it's nothing really, yeah. Don't judge me today. I don't feel like using my hand to do this today. I just want to use this spoon and just do it this way. You guys, once this is cooked in the microwave, it comes out just like yams. Oh my god, you guys, it is so good. I'm gonna be eating this with pepper soup. The weather is cold, so something really hot and soupy, basically. Okay, you guys, so I think that's enough. So I'm just gonna put this in the microwave. Whatever lump is in there, I will find it later on, but I'm just gonna put this in for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I'll come back when it's all done. So you guys, this is how the fufu is looking like after 4 minutes of cooking in the microwave. Y'all, did y'all see told you guys, this look just like the cocoyam itself. So all you have to do, just go ahead and just mix it up. Make sure you get all that white stuff mixed up with the rest of the fufu. And you guys see the texture and the color I was talking about. It's like a lightish purple color. So yeah. It looks just like it, y'all. I'm just gonna put this in for a few minutes. So here we'll cook a little bit, like right there. And then I'll come back when it's all done. You guys, I'm back. So this is the final fufu. It's already been cooked properly. And this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna mix it up one more time. So I'm just gonna put this fufu onto my plate. And this is how it is. I'm not gonna wrap it up. If you want to do so, you can do so. Put it in a clear plastic wrap if you want to do so, but I'm not going to do that because I'm gonna eat this fufu soon, you know what I mean? So I'm not gonna do that. But if you don't want to touch the fufu and you want like a smooth surface, just go like that, and voila. Look at that. Look at that. That's the fufu right there. Cocoyam. So you guys, this is the fufu. Like I said, I'm going to be eating it now. So I'm just gonna cut some of it here and put in my bowl. I'll keep that one for later. And this is my soup. I'll just put in my meat, soup, and this is fufu yam. Okay guys, fufu cocoyam. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye. Looks so good, don't it? Tastes so good. So look at that.